Welcome back, guys. This is Shubh again, your host for today. So, this is in continuation to the part one of chapter one. So, here's the part two where I did discuss, we will be focusing more on meeting expectations. Why did I keep it aside, right? And why it is more important to talk about meeting expectations in terms of quality than any other definitions that is available. So, I did speak uh, about manufacturing industry. I spoke about medical industry. Why are those important? Meeting expectations, me as a patient, if you are the doctor, imagine yourself as a doctor. I come to you and I ask you, or even before asking, first time, even before visiting you, my expectation in my mind is, if I come to you with a knee pain, my knee pain needs to be gone. One. Second, you don't harm any other part of my body apart from fixing my knee. And you need to whatever uh, whatever you diagnose me with, whatever testing you're going to do for me, whatever treatment medicines you're suggesting for me, those should be budget friendly. These are my expectations. So a medical industry is going to focus on that. The doctors are going to focus on that. Same thing with the airline industry. They need to ensure they are on time. They need to ensure the passengers are safe on board, off board, everywhere. A airport will take care of that, right? But the airline industry also works on zero defects. Even a manufacturing industry works on a zero defect. That is why meeting expectations everywhere, it is only about meeting the customer expectations. Hence, me as an individual, as a quality personal, I find you know meeting expectations as the most appropriate definition, when it comes to defining quality, in quotes, defining quality. Now, why is quality important? Why is quality important? Again, there is a bookish definition available to align goals and things like that. However, my what is the objective of having a quality function? What is the objective of having people from a department itself about quality? To ensure customer satisfaction, which is again by meeting their expectations. How would I meet their expectation? First is to reduce their complaints. The first step that I need to take. How would I reduce their complaints? By training my employees. One. Second, I need to upskill them at a regular interval with process updates, product updates, be it just a FYI update, things like that. They need to be at par and up to the date, right? Things like that. Then, with that, I also need to ensure my products. It is not just upgrading my employees, it is about upgrading my products as well, my services as well, with the changing industry, with the changing environment, with changing customers. And then, once my products and employees are up to the mark, I need to ensure they don't break down, both employees and both and my product as well. Now, what happens when I do this? I receive least or minimal rejection from my customers, right? And when I fix all of these five, I reach the status quo, which is enhanced customer satisfaction, met expectations. And that is what it is. And that's my goal from quality. And hence, quality is important to ensure. And this has business benefits. Financially, you're strong, your revenues are strong, your errors are reduced, your complaints are reduced, word of mouth, which goes out to the other customers. You have more customers, you have customer retention. All of these are benefits that you get out of having a structured quality function. Cool. So that is what I have for this chapter one. I will have more discussions, but do let me know what do you feel. Okay, I'm not ending this video because I have a fun fact for you. Quick fun fact: when did quality assurance start? It started in 1939. Why? Because it was World War II. Why? Because they wanted to ensure the ammunitions, the bullets, the rifles, the guns that were used are tested for best performance. They don't backfire. Things like that were tested. All right, so yeah, this is my first YouTube video. Do like and share. However, I follow SIS, which is basically you suggest, I improve, you share, right? If you don't like, want to dislike the video, please do leave a comment. Why did you dislike the video? And I would work on that, improve. And please do let me know in comments what would you like to learn and what would you like to see in my next video. Okay. And I will work on that and I'll have that updated for you. And that is all from me. This is Shub signing off. You guys have a good day and quality is life. Thank you so much.